What's the meaning of blog? Blog. Blog.
Blog. Blog. A blog is a type of website that typically features regularly updated content or posts written in an informal or conversational style. The term blog is derived from the words weblog, which refers to an online journal or diary. Originally, blogs were used mostly by individuals as personal online journals, but over time they have evolved into powerful tools for businesses and organizations to communicate with their customers and stakeholders. A blog can serve many purposes, including sharing information, expressing opinions, building relationships, promoting products or services, and establishing thought leadership. With the increasing popularity of social media and mobile devices, blogs have become an important part of the online ecosystem.